The Samsung Galaxy Ultra series has had a familiar design for a while now, and it looks like they're sticking with it for at least another year. Recently leaked images of Galaxy S24 Ultra cases and concept renders give us a sneak peek at the device's design. In these concept renders, created by Tecmezzo Concept and Rotor Super, the S24 Ultra resembles its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, with a titanium frame that has a brushed metal finish. The S Pen now has rounded buttons in a color that matches the S24 Ultra itself. The device sports a flat screen with curved edges where the glass meets the metal frame. The loudspeaker has also been redesigned with a coin slot-like opening for improved audio output. On the back, you'll find 4 cameras, including one with periscope-style technology for telephoto capabilities. The leaked images of cases for the Ultra model also hint at a quad-lens camera setup. While there's a slight design shift, it's not a major departure from the S23 Ultra. Even the vanilla S24 and S24 Plus cases seem to follow the same design language with triple lens cameras and curved corners, which might disappoint some hoping for a more significant change. The S24 Ultra might bring spec improvements, but major design changes appear unlikely. What are your thoughts on the early design of the upcoming S24 lineup? Share your opinions in the comments and stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Peace out.